God said there's a lot of people sleep. While crying and praying this morning, no, nothing was wrong. I always cry when I talk to him. The presence of God is an emotional, warm, comforting place to be in. He make it so easy to get wrapped up. But in the middle of me wiping my tears, I hear in the spirit, keep making noise until they all wake up. And this how I knew it was God. Because the thoughts I was praying about had nothing to do with it. He literally stepped over my thoughts and what I was thinking, just to tell me what he's thinking. And he told me, not because he don't care about how I feel, but because sometimes he already had what we worried about figured out. He already know the end. But I said, don't worry about your plans, but come let me show you mine. He said, keep making noise until they all wake up. He said a lot of people still sleep. When a person is asleep, sounds in the ear is important. This is the time where the subconscious collects new information, new ideas. That's why a lot of us play meditation and affirmation sounds while dozing. However, too much noise will wake a person up. Same goes for those who spiritually sleep. He said until the noise you're making wakes them up, keep being that beautiful sound that's affirming to their subconscious, because a lot of people still sleep. Y'all be blessed.